Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you guys are always in a good condition. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Hurin Nabila, and I'm a student from Pamulang University. And with this video, I'm gonna explain about antonym. Please keep on watching. If we have synonym as a word or phrase that means exactly or nearly the same as another word, then we also have an antonym. What is antonym? So if we define antonym, it means a word that have an opposite meanings to another words. Antonyms are often adjective and adverb that have a word that directly oppose. For example, hot with cold, short with tall, rich with poor, and many other words. There are three types of antonymy. The first one is complementary antonym. Complementary antonym is an antonym that doesn't have a middle ground. They are pure opposites. The paired words for this type of antonym, such as girl and boy, on and off, dead and alive, so they have no degree of meaning. The second type is relational antonym. This type is a pair of words that are responsible for showing relationship between two opposites. I mean, there can be a child without a parent, right? So this type wouldn't exist without the other. The examples of relational antonym are uncle with aunt, hello with goodbye, or like what I said before, child with parent. The last type is graded antonym. These antonyms deal with levels of comparison, and they can be two words on a scale. For example, happy with sad, smart with stupid, healthy with sick, and many other words. I think that's all from me. I hope my explanation is clear enough for you. Thanks for watching and happy fasting!